What's the Vechain target? Vechain target is very high, my brother, and this is very urgent video for everyone. What's my prediction today going up in upcoming days, or they going down? Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. This time the crypto market is totally phased down, and especially the wheat and what's going on. Absolutely, this is very important for everyone, my friend. The wheat and the crypto market has totally falls down. But what's the chain anchor? You can see here the wheat and in the last 24 hour, very good result. But I can't believe it. How is it possible? Minus 7.08% they falls down. This is very terrible, my friend. Let's see, this is the last 3 days chart. You can see here, my friend, in the last 3 days they gone up 5.93%. Oh my goodness, this is good change agar you can see here. But the price is also increased to 0.27 at 031 US dollar is the latest price. You can see here the last 3 days they are also take a high jump in the last 3 days, my friends. But let's check out the last 7 day result to what's going on, and then I do a prediction to I tell you my prediction today going up in upcoming days, or they fails down more again and again, my friend. This is very important for every VChain holder. Please kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. This time they are loading. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. I am updating you every time, my friend. My friend, if you can see here, this time I draw a two line, and then I use this formula to do a prediction, my friends. So kindly watch this. Okay, don't skip this video. You can see here this time they fails down, my friend. But I think this is also jump. You can see here they jumping, going up, my friend. What this is, you can see here this circulation. What a great circulation, my brother. They moving off like a snack. Wow, what a change, my friend. They are go off like a rocket. They are go and the moon, my friend. Very highest and very good falls. You can see a very good falls. They're moving up, my friend. You can see here after this fall they also take a very high jump, my friend. They take a very small fall, my friend, but after a fail they also take a very high jump. Every cryptocurrency is moving up, and this circulation today sometimes falls and sometimes they jump. Exactly, this is the circulation of crypto market. So my friend, in upcoming days they go more highly, and the last 7 days you can see here 81.84% they're going up. So congratulations everyone. I hope they can hit it $1 just in 2 or 3 weeks. Exactly, they can hit it, my friends. My friends, please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. My opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.